Welcome back. In this video, we'll add the last two parts of our website, the contact section and the footer. Let's start with the contact section. Open your index.html and right after the portfolio section add the tag section ID contact, h2 contact me, form, input type, text, placeholder, your name, required, input, type, email, placeholder, your email, required, text area, placeholder, your message, required, button type, submit, and send message as the message of this button. We close the form and we close the section. This is a simple form with a name field, an email field, a message box, and a button. Now let's style it in styles.css with the ID contact with hash, in braces, padding, for rem, to rem, background color, FFF, text align, center. Second, the contact form, max width, 35 rem, margin 0 euro, display flex, flex duration, column, gap 1 rem, contact input and contact text area, in braces, padding 0.75 rem, border 1 pixel solid with the color CCC, border radius 0.5 rem, and font size 1 rem. Next, contact button, background color hash 007 VFF, color white, padding 0.75 rem, border unknown, border radius 0.5 rem, font size 1 rem, cursor pointer. And last, contact button hover, background hash 0056 B3. You can choose the color that you wish, but it's your decision. Now for your footer in your HTML, right below the contact section, add the tag footer, P 2025 your name, or write reserve P footer, and in your CSS, footer, background color 323, color white, text align, center, padding 1 rem. If you save and refresh, you'll see the contact section with a clean form and a footer below it. This officially completes the structure of our site. In the next video, we'll test everything and make sure it works perfectly on all devices. So, goodbye.